Suasday, history lovers. Today we're heading to Southeast Asia to explore the awe-inspiring and tragic history of Cambodia. Home to mighty empires, stunning temples, colonial rule, and a painful modern past. From Angkor Wat to the Khmer Rouge, let's uncover the history of Cambodia in just 3 minutes. Cambodia's story begins with early kingdoms like Funan and Chenla, but it reached its golden age with the rise of the Khmer Empire in the 9th century. At its peak, the empire ruled over large parts of Thailand, Vietnam, and Laos. The Khmer Empire built the world-famous temple complex, Angkor Wat, in the 12th century, a marvel of architecture, religion, and power. By the 15th century, the Khmer Empire declined due to invasions, internal struggles, and shifting trade routes. Cambodia became caught between growing powers like Thailand and Vietnam, losing territory and political control. To avoid conquest, Cambodia became a French protectorate in 1863, beginning nearly 90 years of colonial rule under French Indochina. In 1953, Cambodia gained independence under King Norodom Sihanouk. But after decades of neutrality during the Cold War, Cambodia was drawn into regional conflict, as war spilled over from neighboring Vietnam. In 1975, the radical communist group known as the Khmer Rouge seized power, led by Pol Pot, beginning one of the most horrific genocides of the 20th century. Between 1975 and 1979, nearly 2 million people, a quarter of Cambodia's population, died from execution, starvation, and forced labor. The regime fell when Vietnam invaded in 1979, but Cambodia faced years of civil war and foreign occupation. The Paris Peace Accords in 1991 and UN peacekeeping missions helped restore stability, leading to democratic elections in 1993. Today, Cambodia is a constitutional monarchy with a growing economy and strong tourism sector, thanks to sites like Angkor Wat. While challenges remain, including poverty, political control, and the legacy of the Khmer Rouge, the Cambodian people continue to rebuild with pride and strength. From empire to tragedy and recovery, Cambodia's story is one of resilience. And there you have it, the story of Cambodia in just 3 minutes. From ancient temples and empire to colonization, genocide, and renewal, Cambodia's journey is one of survival and spirit. If you enjoyed this history trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Akun for watching. And until next time, stay curious. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Cambodian history. See you in the next episode of History in 3 Minutes.